This was a pretty easy install. So this bolt comes out. Once you take your seat off, this bolt comes out. These are brand new bolts from the company that supplied the actual deflector, the heat shield. I put a little rubber piece just below the flat washer just to give it a little bit of cushion, because this is just like a hard plastic piece. And here wasn't an issue. There's rubber in behind it. And I also reattached the acorn bolt, nut rather. Just, this is the lock nut, but I reattached this just for looks, so you don't have the edge of the stud just sticking out. And same thing on the other side, rubber piece underneath, just for a little bit of cushion. The whole install took maybe 20 minutes. And it looks good on the bike. Hopefully it'll stop some of the heat from this monster motor coming up your legs.